AI for the rest of us. That's Apple's bold claim for their new tech, Apple Intelligence. But does it really live up to the hype? After much speculation, Apple finally revealed their AI system at the highly anticipated Worldwide Developers Conference. This annual event draws tech enthusiasts, developers, and Apple fans from all over, setting the tone for the tech industry with Apple's latest innovations. This year's keynote, delivered by CEO Tim Cook, was especially significant as he introduced Apple Intelligence, signaling a new era of AI integration within Apple's ecosystem. Apple Intelligence is designed to boost productivity, creativity, and communication across iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices. It leverages personal data to provide tailored assistance, all while maintaining a strong emphasis on privacy. As it enters its beta phase, the tech community is eager to see if Apple Intelligence can seamlessly integrate into daily life and truly deliver on its promise. So, let's unpack what they're offering. Part 1, in a nutshell. Delving into the specifics, Apple Intelligence includes a range of impressive features. One of the standout tools is generative writing, which helps users by proofreading text, rewriting sentences for clarity and tone, and summarizing lengthy passages with just a tap. This feature is integrated into various applications, making it a versatile assistant for writing tasks across emails, notes, and messages. Another exciting capability is generative image creation. Apple divides it into two parts, Image Playground and Genmoji. With Genmoji, users can create emoji-like images through text prompts and use it in text message. Additionally, you can incorporate Apple's Memoji designs as part of a Genmoji image creation prompt, and the resulting Genmojis can be shared as standalone sticker images. Image Playground, on the other hand, takes AI-generated images to the next level. It lets users create images using various concepts such as themes, costumes, accessories, and locations. For example, you can use Image Playground to create an image from a sketch, or turn yourself or a loved one into a superhero. Image Playground can be used within apps like Messages, Freeform, and Pages, or as a standalone app. Siri also gets a much-needed upgrade. With Apple Intelligence, she becomes more natural and easier to interact with, even if you misspeak. Now, Siri will remember context from one command to the next, allowing you to perform multiple tasks without having to summon her repeatedly. In addition to these native features, Apple Intelligence extends its functionality to third-party applications through API tools. This allows developers to incorporate Apple's advanced AI capabilities into their own apps, broadening the potential uses of this technology and fostering a richer ecosystem of AI-powered applications. At this point, you're probably thinking that these AI features sound similar to what's already offered by other AI systems like ChatGPT or Midjourney. So, what unique touch does Apple bring to the table? Part 2, Apple's Magic. In the early 2000s, under Steve Jobs, Apple was seen as a highly innovative company, introducing groundbreaking products like the iPod, MacBook, iPad, and their most successful product, the iPhone. However, after Tim Cook took over, Apple seemed to lag behind other companies, especially in adopting new technologies such as wireless charging and virtual reality. They were often years behind in incorporating these advancements into their product line. Yet, this delay is part of a brilliant strategy, allowing the technology to mature before adoption, which is the same approach they are now taking with AI. AI technology, particularly generative AI, has been around for a few years with the introduction of ChatGPT and Midjourney in 2022. Although Apple is late to the AI arena, it has various advantages that other companies don't have. One of Apple's biggest strengths is how well all its products work together. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, everything feels seamless and connected. This makes it super easy to switch between devices without missing a beat, keeping you productive and creative. Since so many people use Apple products for everything from messaging and managing tasks to working, learning, and entertainment, Apple has a unique edge. While other AI companies offer tools to boost productivity, they don't have the same level of access to user data that Apple does. Apple users are already used to doing everything on their devices, so Apple just needs to add AI into the mix. However, Apple is also aware that protecting user privacy is crucial. That's why it's their number one priority when designing their AI, and they've developed 3 Apple Intelligence modes to ensure this. First, on-device AI. Unlike many AI systems that rely on cloud computing, Apple Intelligence mainly works on your device. This means all the AI tasks happen right on your phone or computer. By keeping data local, Apple reduces the need to send sensitive information over the internet, which boosts privacy and cuts down on delays. Second, Apple's own AI servers. While on-device AI handles most tasks, some situations need more computing power than your device can provide. In these cases, Apple's AI servers step in to process complex queries and perform heavy computations, all while sticking to strict privacy policies. For instance, when you ask Siri something that requires a lot of background knowledge or access to huge databases, the request might go to Apple's servers. And third, collaboration with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Apple also works with external AI models, like OpenAI's GPT, to enhance its capabilities. GPT is great at understanding natural language, creative writing, and context-based responses. When dealing with complex language tasks, Apple Intelligence can tap into OpenAI GPT, harnessing its power while keeping your data private. Apple also has other technology up its sleeve called App Intents. Introduced in 2021, App Intents is a framework that allows app developers to create and manage interactions between their apps and Siri, shortcuts, and other system features. This framework enables apps to define specific actions or intents that can be triggered by voice commands, shortcuts, or other system interactions, providing a seamless and integrated user experience. With the integration of App Intents and Apple Intelligence, Apple can now access third-party data more seamlessly, providing even deeper integration between apps and the Apple ecosystem. This means that Apple Intelligence can leverage data from various apps to offer more personalized and contextually relevant assistance to users. For example, imagine a user who regularly uses a third-party fitness app to track their workouts and a meal planning app to log their daily nutrition. With App Intents, these apps can define specific actions, such as log a workout or plan a meal. Apple Intelligence can then use these intents to offer more comprehensive assistance. In this scenario, a user could ask Siri of your workout plan for today. Siri can then access the fitness app's data through the defined intents and provide a detailed response, such as "You have a 30-minute run scheduled today." Furthermore, if the user asks, "What's my meal plan for today?" Siri can pull information from the meal planning app and respond with the day's meals. This seamless integration allows users to interact with their apps more naturally and efficiently, enhancing their overall experience within the Apple ecosystem. Part 3: Future Outlook. As Apple Intelligence becomes more embedded in the ecosystem, it could signal the decline of standalone AI products like Rabbit R1 and Humane AI Pen. These products, which have tried to establish themselves in the AI market, might struggle to compete with the comprehensive and integrated solution Apple offers. The seamless integration, privacy-first approach, and robust generative capabilities of Apple Intelligence provide a compelling alternative that could make standalone AI products less attractive to consumers. Users might prefer the convenience and security of a unified system that operates across all their Apple devices rather than relying on separate AI gadgets. Looking ahead, Apple Intelligence seems poised to become a core component of the user experience, not just an add-on. As more developers adopt and innovate with Apple's AI tools, the ecosystem will likely grow richer and more diverse. The integration of AI into the Apple ecosystem is set to roll out in beta this fall, supporting iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Initially available in US, Apple Intelligence will expand to other regions over time. Users with the latest hardware, such as the iPhone 15 Pro or devices running M1 or later chips, will be the first to experience these new capabilities. If you made it this far, comment with the word AI to let us know you received the information. To stay relevant in the age of AI, watch other videos from our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.